I'm Jordan.
I'm Nick.
And this is our recently purchased 1800 stone cottage in the South Australia's mid-north. As you can see, we have a lot of lattice here, hence the name of the channel. And we're going to be renovating the property to restore the old stone cottage to its original or semi-original heritage. As you can see, we've got some large cracks in that will fill over time. But we'll take you for a walk through the inside and show you where we're currently at and maybe go through a couple of our plans. So let's go for a wander. So this is obviously the entranceway here. Road's right there, but at the moment you can't see much of the house, and the locals have dubbed it the Lattice House. So it comes into the foyer at the moment, which is more of a storage zone. To the side here we have the master bedroom. Obviously needs a bit of work, we'll get there. Through to what we're currently dubbing the office. It's a bit of a maze the way that it's set out, so you can see bedrooms off to the side. You come into a wall here. Off to this side is what we're dubbing the home office, which then you go through to another door, which is currently the dining room / TV storage area, which then comes into another room. So we kind of do a C shape around the house, but this is what the kids are currently using as a bedroom. And then this is where the stone cottage currently ends, and we go into the extension. We quickly found that there was a lot of black mold in the extension, so as you can see, we over the last couple of days, and we'll clip some footage for you, but we have been ripping out any of the drywall that's in the quote-unquote affected zone. Kitchen, which is more of a storage hub than anything at the moment. The oven doesn't work, so it's not very effective. This room here, which is one of our almost teenage daughter's room, is still part of the stone cottage, but it doesn't have a door into the original part of the cottage. We have here, which was the pantry, but it was all mold in the bottom. As you can see, the render on the outside is all chipped and cracked, and that's obviously letting moisture in. Back at the stone wall where the extension attached. And we have here, which was one of the bedrooms. Once again, all the mold and that was in here, so this is a storage room at the moment while we work through getting all that out and getting rid of the re-rendering or re-cladding the outside. Where Nick is at the moment was a bedroom, but we've ripped that wall down, hence discovering the mold, because this is going to become a bit more of an open plan living. Where the window is here, that was the back of the old stone cottage, that'll come out and become a walkway. So this will open this up into will no longer be a bedroom, it'll be possibly the dining room. And then we come through here, which is the laundry at the moment, which had a storage room, which we're using in the pantry because the other one's covered in mold. As you can see, we've pulled off a couple of skirting boards and found that this end seems to be unaffected by the black mold. We have our rather comically large bathroom with only the vanity and the shower in it. And at the end of the house here, we have the toilet. So it's a bit of a unique layout, which we will redo in time. It sounds like our phone a friend has arrived, so we've actually got acres and intersections out to have a look around and tell us what they think and help us plan where to go next. So yeah, tune in, enjoy us destroy our house and hopefully rebuild it. But yeah, this is it. Let's get stuck into it.
Do you think we need to drop this one as well? I need to work out what to do with a chandelier, to be honest.
Yeah, yeah. We just have to junction box it. I got the stuff for it.
I've got heaps of glue.
Well, this one here's got nothing other than that light there.
That light? Yeah. These ones, I don't even know if they're still connected or not. We're just going to have to glue point everything.
Alright, I'm going to go. Yeah. Well, once we get this down, I'll be able to chase that along to see where it starts.
This.
Same as we did with the PowerPoints, I'll just pull out what's not. This
was the hot water service.
Was it?
This will be perfect to run across that roof and do lights out there.
Yeah. Like I said, excuse me. No, moving.
I'm just making sure another rat doesn't
come out of you.
Come out of me. What's in that box?
Make sure Alison's away from any glass. We need to light that box out of the way probably. Don't pull any further.
down.
I'm pretty sure I said don't pull any further.
I held it. I pushed it back up.
Holy crap.
Yeah. Yeah, because that should be underneath, shouldn't it?
See how they've cut it there
Yeah.
to run the flashing underneath it? That should be out here. So then it can still run underneath those ones if it does leak.
If it does leak, instead of running, they're giving it no like room.
The flashing there where there's fluid control.
So with wind,
Flows from like it is now.
yeah,
Rain
straight under it.
here.
Yeah.
Because they haven't put enough timbers in there.
Just resheet this whole side of the roof.
Just leave the sheets, just put other timbers underneath there.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah, well all these ones down here have all, so it's supposed to be like this, eh? Like, oh, this has got all the extra screws.
Along the edges should be a every second ridge. And then up the top here like this.
Well, that's all.
So I said the overlap's too long.
This probably wouldn't be helping either, eh? Like that just goes straight in under that flashing.
Yeah, that flashing should go over it. This one should cover over that. So this ridge capping should be up here.
Yeah.
And then you just have to try and box the side bits in underneath it. Let's see if straight cable make it 1 metre long sheets.
Do it in one sheet.
Get rid of the joint.
So you'd have that pitch up there,
So you'd go from up there where it is laying
and then have this as one
but
piece. Well, this is where it all comes in underneath this.
Yeah, 'cause
this
it's not
pergola.
screwed off hard enough. On the edges, it should be every second lap, every second bump, right? You know, I said yesterday, the sheets are rusting underneath.
Yeah, that's this overlap.
It's good to see how I step on there. The wind's going to do that and then blow the water upwards.
Yeah.
The overlap should only be 50 mil, not 200.
No, it's at 200 plus. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
This?
Yeah. Better get that out of there.
Yeah.
It's slipped, because like I said, these should be every 900. What fucking
What's that, like 12, 15?
1200 or something. So
Well, that's all lift. All these ones here, they're all lifting.
Yeah, because they're not spread in their teeth, spread out. I want to stand up there too much, let's put it down. Then just get another piece of ridge cap in there to make it go longer. Straight no, ridge cap in the gate from here down to there as well.
Yeah.
Make it like this long so you've got more to play with. I probably wouldn't even replace that side. That side, one would go down that bottom corner.
Oh, geez, look at the hole that just came when you stood there. Look at that.
Yeah. There's nothing supporting the joints. So once the roof's off, we have to go put more beams, more fencing railing.
Yeah.
So, put one in this one. This one's heaps far apart.
Yeah.
This one's not.
Yeah, well, there's a massive difference between that one.
This is where the old roof is.
Yeah, well, that old roof ends on this line, I think it is.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that line there. Yeah, where it's close together. And then where they've done the new bit, this is all...
Probably them. I'll probably just put one more in there.
Well, it's not going to be as bad when they're all one sheet, is it?
Oh no, when it's all one sheet and they're lap properly.
Yes, welcome to our slice of heaven. As you can see, it's not been very heavenly so far. When we purchased the property, it had a ceiling in the kitchen. About 3 days prior to settlement, that ceiling actually fell down. And then since then, we've obviously discovered mold in the house and that the roof sheeting's not done right. So there's a fair bit of work for us to do in the coming years. We'll see.
See how grey I am at the end of it. So yeah, got to redo the whole roof, put new sheetings on the whole roof. The whole roof is sitting on top of the roof of the original stone cottage, so we'll build a new wall which will actually hold the roof up, not just sit on top of old tin. So shout out to Albie from Acres and Intersections, came and gave some building advice on how we'll tackle that one. I'm sure you'll see him in the videos where we do that, telling me what I'm doing wrong. But plenty of stuff coming up. We'll see how old we are when it finishes.
I'm sure there'll be quite the countdown of the amount of times we need to call in Acres and Intersections as well, but massive shout out to the help this last week to get what we've got done. And if you're interested in seeing how it turns out when we change the floor plans and what else happens next, please subscribe, join. If not, that's fine too, but yeah, feel free to join us in our journey, and thanks for tuning in this week. Thanks everyone.
See you next time.